Yo, what up, people? It's your boy Slow Motion coming back at you at it again with another heavy hitter exclusive from Dr. Ganja. Man, Secret Nature Fire OG. I had never vaped anything in my life. The name sounded good, so I figured I'd go check the shit out. I'm glad I did. Shit, one pull, man. One pull, and you start feeling it in your head, and then that shit just travels throughout your body. Give you a crazy relaxed feeling. Feel good, actually, to be real with you. Man, Fire OG live up to its name. For real. That shit fire. Straight gas. Yo, Doc got every CBD product on the market today. From topicals to edibles, you name it, he got it. All of them top shelf, all of them A1. Can't recommend them enough. Definitely check them out, drganja.com. Alright, peoples, it's your boy Slow Motion signing out. Peace.